Hey, aspiring actors! Welcome to another exciting episode where we dive deep into the art of acting. Are you struggling to memorize your lines? Feeling overwhelmed by the sheer volume of dialogue you need to remember? Don't worry, I've got your back. Memorizing lines can be challenging, but with the right techniques, it can become second nature. In the next 3 minutes, I'm going to share some killer techniques to help you memorize lines like a pro. Let's dive right in and make this process fun and effective. First up, write it down. This might sound old school, but trust me, writing out your lines helps commit them to memory. It might sound old school, but trust me, writing out your lines helps commit them to memory. The act of writing engages your brain in a unique way. When you put pen to paper, your brain processes the material more deeply. This tactile experience reinforces your memory. In fact, research suggests that writing can increase memorization speed by a whopping 45%. That's almost half the time saved. So, grab that notebook and start scribbling. Make it a habit and you'll see the difference. Next, consider your character's motivation. This is especially crucial for you actors out there. Understanding your character's motivation adds depth to your performance. Think about why your character is saying those lines. What drives them? What are their goals and fears? This technique, known as active experiencing, really helps with memorization. It's about living the character's life. It's like stepping into your character's shoes and seeing the world through their eyes. Pretty cool, right? This perspective shift can make lines stick better. Now let's talk about repetition and an empty stomach. Repetition is key in any memorization process. Repeating your lines over and over again trains your brain to anticipate the sequence of words. It's like muscle memory for your brain. Plus, did you know that memorizing on an empty stomach can actually be beneficial? It sounds strange, but it's true. That's because the memory-related hormone ghrelin is most active when you're hungry. This hormone enhances cognitive functions. So maybe hold off on that snack until you've nailed your lines. Moving on to movement, don't just stand there like a statue. Movement can be a game changer in memorization. Moving around while you memorize can significantly improve recall. It engages different parts of your brain. A study showed that people who memorized while in motion remembered better than those who stood still. So get moving, walk around, gesture, or even act out the scene while you're learning your lines. Make it dynamic and interactive. And finally, record and listen at bedtime. This technique leverages the power of auditory learning. Record yourself saying the lines and listen to the recording before you hit the hay. It's a great way to reinforce learning. This primes your brain for better retention through suggestion. Your brain continues to process the information as you sleep. It's like giving your brain a little nudge to remember those lines while you sleep. So, to recap, write it down, consider your character's motivation, repeat on an empty stomach, move while memorizing, and record and listen at bedtime. These steps are your toolkit for success. Follow these tips, and you'll be memorizing lines like a pro in no time. Your confidence will soar, and your performances will shine. Thanks for watching, and break a leg out there. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome tips. Your support means the world to us. Catch you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay inspired.